In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find plus size in Depop. Let's walk through it together so you can quickly get to the pieces that fit your style and your body without endless scrolling. First, open your web browser and go to depop.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but I'll describe it from a browser so it's easy to follow. Once the home page loads, look for the main navigation at the top and click on Women. This takes you into the Women's section where all the categories live. Next, select plus size. This is a dedicated area that pulls together plus size listings so you don't have to dig through unrelated items. It's the fastest way to make sure what you're seeing is curated for your size range. You'll land on the women's plus size clothing page. Here you'll see a grid of items from different sellers. Think of this as your home base for exploring, with fresh uploads appearing all the time. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout and the filters on the page if they're visible. But the main thing is you're now in the right section for plus size finds. From here, you can jump into subcategories to narrow things down. You'll see options like tops, shorts, skirts, dresses, pants, and outerwear. Click into the one you're shopping for. For example, head into dresses if you want something casual for daytime, or outerwear if you're searching for jackets and coats. Browsing by category helps you focus your search and compare similar pieces side by side. As you scroll, look closely at size information on the item tiles and thumbnails. You'll often see labels like XL, XXL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, and 6XL. Keep in mind that sizing can vary between brands, and vintage items may run smaller or larger than modern pieces. When something catches your eye, open the listing and read the description for measurements, fabric, stretch, and fit notes. Photos often show tags and care labels. Those can be helpful for confirming the brand's size chart. Before you check out, double check the size in the listing and compare it with your measurements. If the seller included measurements like bust, waist, hips, or inseam, match those against your numbers to reduce the chance of returns. Look through all photos for condition details and scan the seller's notes for any alterations or flaws. If you're unsure, you can message the seller politely to confirm measurements or fit. Also, review shipping details, estimated delivery, and the shop's return or refund policy so you know what to expect. And that's it. You're now set to find plus-size pieces on Depop with confidence and save time while you shop. Happy thrifting!